like, and I was like, oh.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
All right, it's shooting pretty flat. It's shooting flat enough. Which way y'all gonna go first?
Probably all the way down.
Oh, really?
Damn.
I'm sorry. Depth perception's a little off.
No kidding.
Ross, come on. All right, I'm going.
There we go.
Move. Dude, come on. Hey. Hey, in my backpack right here, there's a grenade. Will you hand it to me?
What are you doing?
Kinsey, do you know where you put those grenades in my backpack? Here, hold on.
Hang on.
Yeah, thank you.
You got a box hanging.
That's cool.
Okay. I'll grab it behind you.
It's all right, come on. Hey, I need help. So they're in that room once we get to reactor, the one to the right. Hey, are they still in there? Keep them in there, keep them in there. You're dead. It clears the whole room. It clears this whole room. This is not hard cover. This is not hard cover. It clears the whole room. Huh? You got to be able to touch me. It's in the safety video too. Do you want, shoot me, we're CQB, we both signed waivers. It's okay, it's. Oh. Hey. Can y'all explain that a grenade kills the whole room and safety only counts if they can touch you? I shot late, stay in. I shot you late, stay in. On that room to the right of reactor. Matt, is he still there?
You guys do a good job.
Bunny's up there. Where, Bunny? Good job, Iron Man. Move up to Alamo, move up to the Alamo. Hey, in that back room, watch that hallway. I'm taking Alamo. I'm behind you, you're good. The fuck? I've got the oddball. Hey, police station, police station!
Scares people away. It's fun.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god.
But yeah, no, nothing personal on that bang bang thing. It's just for here.
To me, I don't want to get shot that close.
Well, yeah,
you know what
I mean,
so like,
well, I mean, it is, like I said, it is CQB, so
Barrel to skin
yeah,
is the limit.
and it's just because I used
I'm just trying to be courteous.
Yeah, no, I get you. I used to do the same thing. I used to do the same thing, but then people, yeah. So I used to do the same thing. I used to do the same thing, but then I kept getting spun on. And I kept getting spun on, and they're like, "Well, you weren't within that contact." I'm like, dead chick, dead chick.
I feel like you would just be cooking in that. I'm cooking in this thing. What? No.
Alrighty, can I hear? No?
I guess. Fair enough.
There we go.
Yep. Yeah.
Move. Yeah. Oh, sorry, sorry. Hey, Ross, I got it.
Hell yeah.
Where?
Hell yeah.
The cavalry's coming.
Hell yeah.
Where?
There's a new door like that down there.
Behind the bank, the green building?
Yeah.
Cover me.
Yeah, behind the barrel.
I just got hit. Here, hold on, I'm gonna go out.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah.
Now I know.
What happened?
You want to kill me. Alright.
Huh? What just happened? I'm so confused. I guess somebody's hit.
You missed.
Watch the second story.
These guys aren't calling shit. Good shit. You good?
Yeah, I got sweat in my eye. Just get air running through it. I got sweat in my right eye and I can't open it.
You go that way.
Okay. I am running through Matt.
They switched Matt.
I know, I saw.
I got it. Reflection's clear. Hey, I'm taking arcade. Yep. Hey, hold on, we got a friendly outside on the orange. Hey, I shot you late. Good job. I shot you late. I'm saying I shot you late. Stay in. Good shit.